Here is a review for OptionAlgo.ai. So the first thing that you need to do is go to any browser or website that you have and search for OptionAlgo.ai. So as a first-time user, you will claim 30% off. So this is very good for beginners so that they can learn on how are they going to manage it. So the OpenAlgo is an AI where you can be trading signals with verified 97.8% wins. So if you are new to trading, you can go ahead and use this AI. There is also a chat support option where you can very accessible for those people who are experiencing any problems with the Option Algo AI. As you can see, it is very different from other traders because it is not just for marketers, but it is built for full-time traders. And also, you can get real-time signals and dashboard plus Telegram accounts and work on mobile, tablet, and PC. So if you want a very flexible trading AI that can help you, Option Algo is good.